So we wonder why things don't work in old trucks. It's because people wire around things and create dash fires. So I'm just gonna disregard this harness, pretty much make my own. So I went ahead and already got rid of the switch here on the floor. We now have a switch here. Turns on the dash lights and the high beam. Good enough. The high beams weren't real bright on this fucking truck anyway. If you aim them down, it's not a problem. The wiring's destroyed in this thing. Not to mention the fucking cancer. They grounded it to the cancer. What a shitty ground. So this was the only light here that turned on, which is the reverse light. And once again, they grounded it to the fucking cancer. I'm gonna go deeper to the frame. Yeah, cancer. Wiring cancer. And cancer. I mean, like, what the fuck is this thing? Like, seriously? A light under the truck. Yeah. Harness is shit.